In the previous lesson, I introduced MQTT with Laravel in practice, where we use Laravel as the publisher and an ESP as the subscriber. This means that we send a command from Laravel to ESP. Now we are going to reverse the roles, with the ESP acting as the publisher and Laravel as the subscriber. To simplify the concept, I have prepared a diagram where ESP device publish messages. The broker receives these messages and direct them to the subscriber. In this example, a Laravel application is the subscriber. To avoid blocking the application, we need a job that runs in the background, saving the message in the database. A Livewire component then fetch these messages and present them in a view. I prepared a code for the ESP similar to the one from the previous videos, but this time we are using the ESP as the publisher. Here the client publish a message on this topic, command serial message. And I set it up here so that when we write something in the serial monitor, the ESP will send this data to the broker. And we can test. I go to the HiveMQ broker. Here is my broker. I am subscribed to this topic, and now I can write here in serial monitor some messages. For example, Laravel is great, and enter, and I get the message here in the broker. On the Laravel side, I have created a table for MQTT messages and the model. I have only this string, this column in this table, and here is the model. It's very, very simple. Then I've created a job. When I go to the Laravel app jobs, I have a job, MQTT subscriber job. Here I make the connection to the MQTT. I subscribe to this topic. I insert the messages in the table, and I have this while loop here. Then I have a Livewire component, MQTT subscriber, where I check if the job is running, and I have a simple view where I can see the messages. Here I insert the wire pool for each 500 milliseconds to check if messages. Then I insert the Livewire component here in dashboard, and now we can test it. Don't forget to run the job with PHP artisan queue work. Now here is my table is empty. Now we can test. I will write Laravel is the best, enter, and the message is represent here in the view. When I go to the database, I can see the message is saved in the database, and it works fine. That's all for this video. In the next video I will move away from using wire pooling, and instead I will use Laravel Reverb to receive messages in real time. Bye.